Hi, I'm Pat and welcome back to the channel. This garage is empty. Yes, I've actually sold my GT4, my NSX, my old i8. I haven't had a sports car, a supercar, in months. It's been so hard with all these nice days and not having a good car to drive around to car events, but that's about to change. Coming right down this road from AutoMoversUSA is delivery. Here it comes. The transport I have been waiting for. Oh, wow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, wow. I'm really excited. Very, very, very excited. And the valves, nice and quiet. Fantastic.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, 13,026 miles. Whew. Wow. Yep, go for it. Oh, wow. All right, the hazards are on. I think this is the button for the hazards. Okay. And I think this is how we start it. Oh, man. We're going to come right into Corsa. Oh. Wow. Here we go. Here we go. Quick first trip into the garage. Wow. Oh, wow. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. It's dark in here. All right. So we're just going to back her up. Then we're going to put the tag on. Put it in park. And then I'm going to put the lift down. Yeah. Yeah. This is cool. What a car. That was just a little. That was just a little bit of.
I wasn't expecting it.
That was just a little bit. Oh my. Woo. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. Oh my. Oh my. Get in there and give it a quick rev. It don't take much, just a little touch and it's just, yeah, it's loud, isn't it? Yeah, isn't it cool? All right, go ahead and hit the start stop button. Just once, yep, perfect. And we'll put the plate on it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Whew. All right, time to take this thing for a ride.